Dagger from space. Tut-Ankh-Amon, the Egyptian pharaoh, who ruled Egypt at the age of 8 and died in an unusual manner at the age of 18. In 1925, British scientist Howard Carter discovered Tut-Ankh-Amon's tomb. It is the only tomb that has been completely discovered and not stolen by tomb robbers. A shiny dagger was discovered inside the linen scrolls that covered the Egyptian pharaoh's mummy. When the tomb's contents were examined, this dagger contains a number of mysteries that have yet to be discovered. First, the dagger was not harmed by natural elements and retained its luster even after Tut-Ankh-Amon died, and his body was mummified over 3,300 years ago. Secondly, the dagger has been sharpened with great craftsmanship and precision, which is unavailable at this time. Third, the dagger's material is not one of the materials found on Earth with the same composition. However, in 2016, a team of scientists confirmed that the chemical composition of the 13-inch dagger indicates that it was made of a material that originated outside of Earth, but they were unable to answer questions about how it was produced or where the meteorite originated on Earth, our home planet.